Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 2 cups of quality ice cream and 1 cup of cold whole milk for a thick, creamy base. Measure 2 tablespoons of sugar or 1 tablespoon of flavored syrup if you want more sweetness, and add a pinch of fine salt to enhance flavor. If using mix-ins, chop 1/4 cup of cookies or fruit into small pieces. Chill a 12-ounce serving glass in the freezer for about 10 minutes so the shake stays cold longer when poured. Place the measured 2 cups of ice cream and 1 cup of milk into a high-speed blender and secure the lid. Pulse 6 to 8 times on medium speed to break up the ice cream, then blend for 8 to 12 seconds until smooth and thick. Do not overblend or it will thin. Add 1/4 cup of mix-ins like cookie crumbs or chocolate chips last, and use 2 short pulses to keep chunks intact. Pause once to scrape down the sides with a spatula for an even texture. Pour the finished shake into the chilled 12-ounce glass, leaving room for toppings. Add 2 tablespoons of whipped cream and a maraschino cherry for a classic finish. For a thinner consistency, stir in 1/4 cup more milk and mix gently by hand. Add 1 tablespoon of malted milk powder to make a malted variation. To create a vegan version, use 2 cups of dairy-free ice cream and 1 cup almond milk, and sweeten with 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Serve with a 3-5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.